Hello friends, today we have chosen article as the subject and have come up with few handmade worksheets to support our learning. So let's see what is an article. These are the article, that is a and the. They act as an adjective and are used to describe a noun. So let's see with some examples. So generally a and they are seen with singular noun, and the is seen with the plural noun, that is with singular noun, like you can say a girl, a house, a cat, a spoon. And with plural noun you will say the girls, the houses, the cats, the spoons. Next we have where do you use a and the. So let's come to see where do we use a. A is seen in front of a consonant, a word that starts with a consonant, that is other than a, e, I, o, u. You can see all other words, letters here. So that's where we can see a in front of a consonant word. Some of the examples I have actually hand drawn all these pictures, since I do not have access to stickers or any pictures so that I can stick it here. So you can do it, you can stick some pictures from some cutouts, or you can use some stickers so that the child can read along. A car, a barn, a lion, a ball, a hat. Likewise, you can completely revise this with the child so that he or she gets familiarized with the words. And then a is used in front of a vowel, that is any word starting with a, e, I, o, u. That's where we use an. Again, we are seeing with some more examples. I have written of each vowel, I have drawn two pictures: an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an octopus, an umbrella. So you can put still more pictures to make it more colorful, so that the child can see more pictures and can relate to things. Next one, we are coming to see the usage of the. The is used before the noun which are definite and denote the whole group of noun. See, some more examples are before the name of a renowned person, while identifying a definite person or a place, when something is unique, along with the post or the position. Like you can see, I have written the doctor here because we already know who's the doctor. It's Dr. Sam. Since we know the person, we have written it as the doctor, the president. So that's the only position. The sun, the universe, the planet. So all these are only one thing that are there. They are the unique things. And also some person or place. A USA we cannot tell, so it's also it's a definite place, so we will say the USA. So, and another rule of using the, when we use noun in a sentence and repeat the same noun, then we use, you can see it with example. A bird is sitting on a tree, and then full stop. I have written it, I have drawn here, I have put the underline here, the bird flew away. We cannot say a bird flew away because we've already used the noun in the first sentence, and now that's going to be a repeat. So we are saying the bird flew away. Next one, he watched a movie in the theater. The movie was good. We will not say a movie was good because it's a repeat of the same noun in the same sentence. Next one, I have some sorting activities, sort the articles, and I have made 3 pockets here, and you can see this is like a holder. I have lots of all the words written here and put it under this so that it doesn't go, I don't miss here and there, and everything is stored here. You can see book, a book, a pot. Ocean I have written because ocean is again a unique thing. It's not like everywhere you find the ocean. The ocean. Window and umbrella. So like that you're going to sort. A lot of words are there. A lot of words are there in this pocket. So child is going to do the sorting here. And next one we have, again, since I do not have pictures or the stickers, I have whatever is easiest, I have hand drawn it. The child has to put a and an wherever applicable, wherever it is appropriate. First one is orange. What will be orange? The orange. Or sorry, or an orange, because it starts before the word starts with a vowel. A banana, a tomato, an umbrella, a cake. You can see differently, the child can go on putting the appropriate word here. Next one, and I think this is the last sheet for today. Complete the sentence using a, an and the. You can see this is with the question. My aunt is dash doctor, is a doctor. Earlier we saw the doctor because we know it was a definite person. So my aunt is a doctor among many doctors. So it will be a doctor. Ravi Verma is an artist. Here you can see the birds fly in the sky, because sky is again a unique thing. It's not all over, it's a unique thing, sky. And please give me an envelope. So this is some practice session with the questions, so that the child is going to get familiarized with reading the sentence and usage of the